is paired with, which in turn will send an alarm notification to your mobile phone. This way, you can take immediate action to avoid property damage. This PNI water detector can be used in places like warehouses, basements, cellars, swimming pools, bathrooms, kitchens, plant room, or in places like swimming pools, bathtubs, and water tanks where a certain water level needs to be maintained. It is enough for the two pins of the sensor to come into contact with the water by 1 mm to trigger the alarm immediately. You just need to put the water leak detector where you want to check the level or presence of water. If the sensor detects water leakage or water exceeding the preset limit, the detector will immediately send the alarm signal, preventing potential water damage, keeping your property safe.